Jamie Sciberras is my name, and in partnership of business with my wife, Sarina Sciberras, and our business name is the Biscuit Shop, and we operate out of Bullara. I'd been working for about 7 years, travelling up to Melbourne in the fitness industry as an account manager. I wanted to, I suppose, simplify my life in a sense and work around my family and at home. So what we did was introduced this product that I'd had being a baker pastry cook. We felt that there was a niche for a premium product. Yeah, we got that going 3.5 years ago now. It's the flavours that we have. We're really diverse. You want something different, and that's what we've done. We believe that's why, as well, just besides the recipe, we are unique because we have 10 different flavoured yo-yos now. Customers don't always want the same flavour, so we felt we've hit that market. You're always going to come up against price-sensitive people. There's areas that people ain't about just price, it's about quality. And again, with the price, we're talking about a lot of mass-produced product. So that's where we wanted to be premium, but really hold a good price. That was our first challenge. But I suppose with a challenge, you know, you take positives out of that. And that was that I'm local and so forth. And I went out in the market and branded the product. We won over in that area. The other challenge was being handmade. You've got to go to the next level, but then it can't be handmade. And we found that out because of the difficulties with my hand. Having 2 operations, a carpal tunnel and a trigger finger, we needed to then go to the next level because of my hand. And then the need of the product, the amount of people wanting the product, we had to go to automation. We had to think outside the square because 60% of our market are cafeterias, which were affected. We came out with I wanted to do this actually, should I say. I wanted to do this about 3 years ago. It wasn't our direction, should I say, firstly, because our direction was about wholesaling our yo-yo biscuits complete. But the time came, well, this is a great opportunity now where people are isolated, their children are home from school. Why can't we offer a DIY pack, yo-yo pack, because we're renowned for our yo-yos that they can do at home, because they are at home, and they can experience, I suppose, what we do day to day. And it absolutely went off its head. So to give you numbers, in 8 hours of sales on social media, we sold 650 DIY kits. I actually love doing it. It's a lot of fun. To what level? That's something that I've got to sit down, which I've been thinking about. Okay, how can we go about continuing doing this, but not just at that level, but at this level, still continue our wholesale business. So it's trying to maximise the time in the kitchen for both areas, because I think it's a great opportunity to be able to get out there, because again, we haven't even got this out in stores, say for instance, which we could do. If you look at supermarket shelves, you don't really find many of these mixes like in a biscuit form. It's more of a brownie or a cake mix. So there could be a great opportunity there on supermarket shelves. And again, we've got the accounts with Richie's and independent IGAs, so it could be something we can go down. But again, we're going to do it properly, and it's like with the yo-yos, we did our homework, and that's why where we are today. So yeah, great opportunity there, but we've got to do it right. Facebook's been the key for us. They're our main branding, marketing tools that we use in general, but we've really tried to leverage off the latest issue by using social media, by using Facebook and Instagram. Our numbers have grown. The visibility, I suppose, through startup in Latrobe City has got us out there in the market more. Numbers wise, we're we're talking about 30% of growth. The knowledge that we took away, the training that we were given, that has also helped with the growth in those numbers. It was around the startup program time that we were trying to implement and trying to get investors on board to help us with the machine, so the numbers could go from here to there. If we look around us, yes, it's a flow and effect, and we can sit there and ponder on the negatives. We should be putting our energy in the right areas as much as we're going to be negative and down. So it's about thinking of, okay, yeah, it is what it is, but what can we do within our power? Think outside the square. That's what we did ourselves as a family business. We thought, okay, it is what it is. We're going to lose X amount of customers, but what can we do to actually still get product out there and keep our business ticking? Keep going, keep trying, work out different ideas, and just, again, keep positive. If you have the opportunity, get on board with Startup Gippsland. Don't let it slip. And this will be so beneficial for your business. Plus, I need to add, and I continue, the guys at Startup Gippsland are magnificent. The help that they continue to give is exceptional. So give it a go. You've got to get these programs into your business. Mentoring, it's a must.